So here today we're going to look at M6 Roundabout and Hanchurch lights. These areas are close together. So the first one is we are going straight ahead at the M6 Roundabout. So as you can see, no real markings, so we keep in the left lane. Check your centre mirror, left mirror, give a signal, off you come straight ahead up towards Hanchurch lights. Now I'm going to change it here so you can still see above the white car going, but at the bottom we're turning right at the Hanchurch lights. So now I've joined it together, so basically you get one view from the car and one view from above. So on this one we're turning right here, and it's the position you're looking at, so you're trying to get your position so vehicles can get round you, but also you're not going into the lane of oncoming vehicles. And then when it's clear we're going to turn right, so it's quite good views from above and from the vehicle. And then we're going to follow back down to the M6 roundabout, and it's very common here to go right down the A500. So you can see the sign here, and right A500. To the left is the M6, and straight ahead takes us back to Clayton. Quite a busy roundabout, this roundabout. And you can see the vehicles comes in packets of vehicles. Again, once you're on the roundabout here, centre mirror, left mirror, and then make sure you move back into your left hand lane as long as you've got room.